We are now joined by my colleague Rishika Barua, who's joining us from Azadpur Mandi in Delhi, and also joining us right now is my colleague Pankaj Khelkar from Pune. Remember, this expose was carried out in this particular belt as well, where we've seen how hoarding really is pushing up the prices. Rishika, if I could come to you first, this isn't too difficult to crack why the prices are going up. It's an issue which has been discussed in Parliament as well, but no crackdown on hoarders that we are seeing.
Absolutely not, Ruchika. Prices have continued to rise, and it is simple economics, that artificial scarcity that has been created because of hoarding by traders and middlemen. It is what has led to, really an artificial scarcity, and as a result of which prices have gone up. So as we're seeing, here in Delhi, I'm standing at the Azadpur wholesale market here in East Delhi. The prices of onions here have been skyrocketing, but in Delhi, really, it's become now a political issue. Like you said, it was discussed in Parliament, but the Delhi government has been ineffective in trying to bring down the onion prices, as a result of which the BJP state cadre here in Delhi today has decided that from today onwards they will be selling onions across all 70 constituencies in the capital at say rupees 40 to rupees 50 per kilo. Now, where exactly they are planning to source this onion from and how they are planning to bring down this price still remains a question to be answered. But let's really see how the day progresses and whether they can actually successfully manage to bring down prices here across constituencies in the capital, Ruchika.
Well, BJP certainly knows a thing or two about onion prices and what that could mean in an election year. Let me quickly go across to Pankaj Khelkar. Pankaj, this sort of price manipulation usually takes place, when the traders actually control the release of supply of onion, and that's exactly what we are seeing in the mandis, in the areas where the production is really high, like in Nasik.
Yeah, Ruchika, right now I am in Nasik belt near Pune in Otur wholesale market, and like this behind me you can see like onion sacks of onions are there. Around 150 tons of onion might be brought here. This onion right now belongs to the farmers, that's what we have been told, but today and tomorrow around 1,000 tons of onion is expected from farmers, and traders over here will be buying this onion from the farmers, and that will be transported to the cities like Mumbai and other adjoining cities. Over here with me I have one of the farmer who cultivates around 100 tons of onion in one season. Let's talk, we will discuss with him what exactly happens and why is it this artificial pricing, the skyrocketing of onion prices is going on.
सर, ये बताइए कि अभी जो कहा जा रहा है और अभी जो देखने को मिल रहा है कि प्याज की कीमतें आसमान छू रही है, तो जो होर्डिंग हो रही है, जो ट्रेडर्स है, मिडिलमैन है, वो इसकी कीमत बढ़ाते हैं, ऐसा जो कहा जा रहा है वो कैसे होता है?
ट्रेडर कीमतें बढ़ाते हैं ऐसा मुझे ज़्यादातर लगता नहीं, क्योंकि प्याज की उत्पादन ही कमी हुआ है, क्योंकि इसका कारण जो कुछ भी है, खरीफ में पिछले साल खरीफ में 40% प्लांटेशन कम हुआ, तो बाद में गवर्नमेंट की ये ड्यूटी होनी चाहिए थी कि अगर 40% प्लांटेशन कम हुआ है तो रब्बी के सीजन में किसानों को प्रवृत्त करे प्याज लगाने के लिए, वो उन्होंने किया नहीं।
पर आपका जो प्याज था, जैसे आपने बताया कि आपने 6 रुपए से बेचा, आज जो कीमत देखने को मिल रही है वो 40 रुपए से लेकर 60-80, दिल्ली में तो 80 तक पहुंच गया है। तो फिर आप किसान हो, आपने जो प्याज उगाया उसको आपको 6 रुपए ही क्यों मिला? आपको कुछ अच्छी कीमत क्यों नहीं मिली?
मैंने स्टोर किया था प्याज, और जब मैंने रब्बी का प्याज निकाला तो उस वक्त एक 8 रुपए से लेके 12 रुपए तक रेट थे, और इसके पहले सीजन का अगर आप ये करें तो पिछले साल पूरे सीजन में 7 या 8 रुपए से आगे कीमतें नहीं गई। इसलिए किसान लोग इतने घबराए हुए थे कि अगर इस साल भी यही हुआ तो स्टोर करके 40% उसमें लॉस लेके फिर प्याज बेचना है, तो इसके बेहतर है कि अपने खेत में ही प्याज बेचें।
That's what we have heard, that the farmers were afraid that last year they got only 7 rupees per kg price, and so this year, that is in March, April, when the traders came to them, they sold their onion around 6 to 8 rupees price, and that's onion, that what we are getting today that onion is being stored, that is being hoarded by traders, and they are now creating the artificial hike in onion prices.
Absolutely. It's the hoarders that are setting onion prices on fire. Thank you both, Pankaj and Rishika, for joining us this morning. We'll, of course, keep coming back to you and we'll, of course, be tracking the protest that the BJP has planned in the national capital today over the soaring onion prices.